Hello everyone, my name is Dani. So today I'm going to give presentation on towards a process analysis approach to adopt robotic process automation. RPA, robotic process automation. What are the process models we're going to use to adopt the robotic process automations? Understanding the RPA adoption process. Adopting robotic process automation involves a well-defined process to ensure successful implementation. This includes assessing the organization readiness, identifying suitable process, designing the implementation roadmap, and managing change effectively. So this nothing but the understanding the user requirements and what are the effective roadmap we can adapt. We can take it and manage the resources effectively, and what are the step by step process we're gonna take. Understanding the key steps and best practices in the RPA adoption journey is crucial for realizing the full benefits of this transformative technology. What are the best practices we're gonna adapt, and crucial for realizing the best full benefits of this transformative technology. So where RPA adoption would be used? 8% in retail and CPG, 8% in finance, and 5% in public sector. Defining the process analysis approach. Comprehensive approach, data-driven insights, process modeling, and simulation. What is comprehensive approach? The process analysis approach involves a thorough examination of business workflows, identification of optimization opportunities, and development of a roadmap to enhance operational efficiency through robotic process automation. So it basically the analysis of the user requirements and what are the steps gonna, what are the process we're gonna use to develop the software step by step. Data driven insights. By gathering and analyzing relevant process data, the approach uncovers valuable insights that inform the selection of appropriate RPA use cases and guide the implementation strategy. So data driven means nothing but the gathering the information and analyzing the relevant process data for the process of robotic automation. So uh, here the data is very important because the algorithms and machine learning algorithms are used to understand the behavior actions of a human when the same thing would be given to the robotics. So the data driven collections of data would be different, right? So what are those? First one is survey and questionnaires, observations, inspections, sampling, interviews, experiment and file trials, document reviews and analysis, use of technology, inspections and assessments. So these are the field data collection methods. Process modeling and simulation. The process analysis approach includes the creation of detailed process models and simulations to evaluate feasibility and potential impact of RPA deployment, ensuring a well-informed data-driven implementation. So after the collecting the relevant data, what gonna do, what are the next process of model, what are the process models we're gonna apply, and what are the strategies we're gonna adopt, those would be taken care by the process modeling and simulation. Identifying processes suitable for RPA. So what are the processes we're gonna take for adoption of robotic process adoption automate. Process mapping. Map out the end-to-end process to understand the key steps, inputs, outputs, and stakeholders involved. Data analysis. Analyze the process data to identify repetitive, high volume, and rule-based tasks that are prime candidates for RPA. Process timing. Evaluate the process duration and identify opportunities to streamline and optimize the thorough automation. So these are things to be taken mind when we are going for robotic process automation. Process mapping, data analysis, and process timing. Accessing Assessing process maturity and complexity. Evaluating the maturity and complexity of a process is a crucial step in the RPA adoption process. This assessment helps organizations understand the feasibility and potential challenges of automating specific workflows. Five factors. Five key factors to assess process maturity and complexity. 30% repetitive. Percentage of 30% repetitive tasks within the process. Cost savings. Potential annual cost savings from RPA automations. And 2 million transactions. Annual transactions volume for the process. By thoroughly assessing these factors, organization can prioritize process with the greatest potential for successful robotic process automation implementation, and maximum return on investment. So these are the four key factors that are must. Five key factors of maturity and complexity, 30% of repetitive tasks, and 100 cost saving and transactions volume. Designing the RPA implementation roadmap. Assess what are the roadmap implementation for RPA. Assess process. Thoroughly evaluate the process to identify which one is suitable for RPA automation, considering factors like complexity, volume, and repetitiveness. Second, prioritize initiatives. Prioritize the RPA initiatives based on business impact, technical feasibility, and ease of implementation to create a phased rollout plan. Develop the roadmap. Construct a detailed RPA implementation roadmap, outlining the key milestones, timelines, resource requirements, and dependencies to ensure a structured and coordinated rollout. Addressing change management consideration. What are the changes we're gonna consider while making the RPA? Communicate proactively. Establish clear and frequent communication channels to address employee concerns and build buy-in for the RPA initiative. Transparency is key to managing resistance to change. Provide training, offer comprehensive training programs to equip employees with the necessary skills and knowledge to adapt to the new automated process. This will empower them to embrace the changes. Foster collaborations. Encourage cross functional collaborations, involve key stakeholders in the RPA implementation process. This collaborative approach will prompt a sense of shared ownership and commitment. Emphasize benefits. What are the other benefits? Highlight the tangible benefits of RPA, such as improved efficiency, reduced errors, and freed up employee time for more strategic work. This will help overcome resistance and drive user adoption. Ensuring successful RPA deployment. Successful RPA deployment requires a comprehensive approach that addresses key considerations. This includes change management, user training, IT infrastructure, alignment, and ongoing monitoring and optimization. Engaging stakeholders, defining clear roles and responsibilities, and establishing robust governance structures are crucial to driving RPA adoptions and ensuring sustained benefits. So, what are the key benefits of RPA? Uh, Create accountability, eliminate human errors, improve productivity, better collaborations, customer satisfaction, reduced cost, reduced turnaround times, improved efficiency, metrics visibility. Measuring and optimizing RPA performance. To ensure long term success with RPA, it is crucial to establish robust performance measurement and optimization process. This involves tracking key metrics such as cost savings, productivity, gains, error reductions, and process cycle time improvements. A well designed RPA system performance dashboard can provide real time visibility into these metrics, enabling data driven decisions to further optimize the automation landscape. Regular process reviews and adjustments can help maintain peak RPA performance and maximize the return on investments. So let's understand what are the metrics, description, and target. What are the target they're gonna set for the metrics? Cost saving, reduction in operation cost from automating manual tasks 20% or more. Productivity gain, increase in throughput and efficiency of automated process 30% or more. Error reduction, decrease in human errors and process defects 50% or more. Cyclic time improvement, reduction in end-to-end process completion times 25% or more. By closely monitoring these key performance indicators and continuously refining the RPA implementation, organizations can ensure that their automation initiatives deliver sustained business value and competitive advantage. Conclusion. So, conclusion and future outlook. In this presentation, we have explored a comprehensive process analysis approach to effectively adopt robotic process automation within an organization. As we conclude, let us reflect on the key takeaways, consider the future of this transformative technology. So, to adapt the RP, there must need to be like uh, they must need to be well structured. The strategy should be maintained. and what are the errors going to come. We need to maintain everything in structured, and before using the employees there must be a training of the employees would be done, and those all perspective process would be taken care in the future. Thank you.